Kumain ka na ba? Hindi ka pa kumakain.
Later pa. 6 p.m. pa.
Thank you, Miss Sally.
Harry Potter pajamas. Yes po.
Send
Ako, I'm excited for the new series of Harry Potter. December po. Watch it. It's nice. It looks nice.
Oh, sige. Sally Nina. Thank you. Send lang na send kayo naman. Ay.
Ako, crush ko dati si Emma Watson. Hermione Granger. Before.
Nakita mo na raw ba yung new hairstyle?
Senior na siya. Crush naman when I was younger. No, I'm Ravenclaw. Nag-test po ako. Hindi po ako Gryffindor. I'm a Ravenclaw pala.
Ano yun?
Ano
Sa
sabi
Harry
dito?
Potter?
Magpapayat ka po konti para mas lalo pogi at hot.
Chill
I
lang.
don't like to be hot po eh.
Chill lang po kayo. Mga kayo naman. yung
Tsaka
mga
ayoko po ng
comments.
super payat eh.
Tsaka still our baby. Our baby.
Magagalit si mama po if I get abs. Ngayon, sino naman crush mo? Oh, let me think.
Sino sabihin ko?
Sa comic books? Comic books na lang.
May
Or sa
nagpadala
ano
nga.
na lang.
Charot.
Probably Catwoman. So, mas super villain. Ay, pet.
Happy birthday, Rochelle.
Or sa Black Canary in DC.
Bakit na maulo ko? Hindi ko naman pinag-uusap.
Yung mga may alam, the people who know. Or Huntress, mga ganyan.
Ano ba yung Harry Potter?
No, Batman. Ba't wala ka kanina, baby?
Perla.
Rest day today po eh. I'm resting today.
Ba't tanong po ng tanong ba't wala si Bimbi? Ba't wala pa po yung sticker?
For me, mas bagay mo, Bim, yung ganyan, mas po. Thank you po. Thank you, Ma'am May. Hi din lang po, Bim. Please sana manotice. Dian? Dian? Hello?
Picture mo gamit niya. Cute.
Bim, waiting ako sa movie nyo. Let's see po. Let's see. It's a very, now eh.
Ngayon, keep on sending Queen Lala.
It's a very
Loisa.
difficult business to enter into. Pero ngayon po, a lot of people are going back to the movies. Mama, me? Mom's calling.
Huwag ka nang magsalita muna. Maglaro ka na lang.
Okay.
Huwag ka masyado magsalita.
Okay.
Mag-hi ka lang, ha?
Hi. It's okay. Opo, it's just me. Mama called ng Papa Jack. I think she wants to eat na. Ako, I can't talk too much daw. Do you watch One Piece, Bimbi? No. It's too mahaba eh. It's too long. I was more Naruto when I was younger. Ayun yung favorite ko talaga. Hello, Mariela. Hello, Mariela. Anime Reko. Overlord. Yan. Pero pag yung mga big three, let's say Dragon Ball, Naruto, Bleach, tsaka big four pala. Naruto, kasi it's a bit more mature. Asan si Miss Chris? She is resting. Now, I think she's gonna eat. Mr. Pogi. Thank you po. Bedhead po ako eh. My hair po kasi it goes nagiging afro if it gets too long. New hairstyle. I'll see. I haven't checked pa Sockmed eh. What's my grade po? 200, 175. I'm nearsighted. They're asking me what grade my eyes are.
Grade 2 sabihin.
Porn, mama?
No, I'm making BLT.
For mama? Yung
Yeah.
bacon? Okay.
You?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Chef muna ako.
Go, go, go.
Huwag ka masyadong-
What's this one?
Oh, that's my, candy.
Where is Raisa? Raisa's, I think, at home na. Hello. Invite Raisa to join. I don't know. I think she's sleeping now po eh. I think she's sleeping. Bati naman from Bataan. Favorite food po, ramen. I love a good bowl of ramen. Oo, na may pork, na may egg, na cured. Oh, I love ramen. At saka, for every for every occasion, if you're sick, if it's raining outside, ramen talaga po. Most importantly, put God first. Yes po. Next time live ka naman with your mom. Mama's resting po eh. The weather's been weird eh. So she has to rest a lot. Hindi po halata sa in Bulaga because the camera's very far. So, di nila nakita yung dimple ko. Thank you po for the stick. Don't send na po stickers while I'm here. When Papa Jack is here na lang para para you guys don't need to, send. So I just like reading, getting in touch with you all. Hindi ako nagva-Valo eh. I don't play Valo. I was more Halo eh. Halo pa rin ako ever since. Travel, sometimes po, kaso mahal po ang ticket eh. Mahal po eh, ticket. Tsaka hotel pa. But I like traveling. I like eating other food. Ako, dream destination ko po, Norway. Don't know why. I just wanna go to Norway. Tsaka, para I can learn about the, Vikings. I don't know why, past few days, ako, Viking history videos. Bakit wala kang TikTok account? I don't really, post po eh. I'm not a poster. Tsaka hindi naman ako nagka-comment. So, why will I have a TikTok account? I'll remove my glasses. Instagram po. Opo. But there's no post there naman po. Yeah, there's no post po. But I don't feel the need lang po to post. New Zealand, yeah, that was right before Tito Noy passed away. Sabi niya, New Zealand was one of his favorite places to go to. And one of my ates are there. My friend group is, one of my super close friends are there. Is there. Pero ako, I wanna try the New Zealand meat. They have very good steak po eh. I've watched Vikings. It's pretty nice. I like it. Kaso nga, yung storyline, it's a bit, hindi siya diretso. It's not, it's parang daming ups and downs yung story. Bimbi, mas pogi ka without glasses. Thank you, but I have to, I have to read. Contact lens. Ako I tried wearing contact lens po, pero hassle lang po eh. Hassle to remove and put on. Tsaka you can't take a nap with them on. You can't sleep. Kasi bawal po, it'll dry your eyes out too much.
Ano na?
Wala lang, answering questions lang.
Huwag too much questions,
But they want me to go New Zealand, tsaka ano, fave book. Oh, fave book. Probably,
Nag-send. Yung mga basic questions lang utang na loob po. Pwede bang doon ka sumagot sa loob? Paano mabantay? Because I'm gonna make
BLT. Bacon, lettuce, tomato.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
BLT.
BLT who?
New York, bacon lettuce,
You can use that pang knock-knock.
Ay, wala naman nag-send ng mga ganun. Mamaya, if you're done.
Papadya.
Wait. No,
Kinakabahan si Papa Jack po. But my favorite book, probably...
Mga basic questions lang, ha?
The one I've read the most...
Dali mo na lang sa akin, dali.
Yeah. The one I've read the most is probably Tito Frank's book. Yeah. Being Frank. Non-fiction. Kasi it's very, I'm not sure if we're gonna go na because there's no makeup today. Being Frank po. What's it again? And non-fiction, A Song of Ice and Fire. Game of Thrones po. Probably the first book in the series. Hi, Magic. Movie recommendation. If you want something fun, favorite popcorn movie ko po, Jay and Silent Bob Strikes Back. This is the director. That's the director po. Oh, someone texted. That's the director, Kevin Smith. Super cool. These movies aren't the best now, but before, during the 2000s po, it was really, really good. K-drama. Mom before used to love K-drama, so whenever she'd watch, I'd make silip lang. But it's never really my thing po eh. Book recommendation. Being Frank, by Tito Frank. And Song of Ice and Fire, Lord of the Rings po. Dune. Dune is a very good... Oh!
Ayun na.
Yo! She's
May gusto
awake.
mag-hello sa'yo.
Wait lang. I'm live.
Ay,
Papa Jack, live.
wait lang! Wag mo muna, ikaw mo muna yan, babe. Dito muna, may mag-hello mo.
Okay, wait lang. Wait. I will close lang. How do I close this one? Mute.
Ano ba yun? Bakit ka naman
Sa pagkakataong ito, habang nagla-live si Mr. Bimby Aquino Yap dito, biglang tumawag si Raisa May. Dito na tumigil ang mundo ni Bim. Na makikita natin dito, medyo nakamute na yung kanyang audio. Kasi parang inutusan siya ni Raisa na wag iparinig kung ano man yung pinag-uusapan nila. So nakikita natin sa itsura ni Bim dito na sobrang happy niya. Siyempre, ngayong araw kasi ng Martes, hindi sila napanood sa Eat Bulaga. So, kahit pala hindi sila nagkikita, continuous pa rin yung kanilang communication, ano. At hindi rin po totoo, ito yung nagdidepang sa mga issues na meron silang tampuhan at may selosang nagaganap dahil still ay may kita natin na magkasundo pa rin silang dalawa. Pero nakakatuwa lang kasi kailangan talagang i-mute, ano, at hindi pwedeng iparinig kung ano man yung mga personal nilang pinag-uusapan dito. Kaya tingnan nyo, bigla tayong iiwan ng live, o diba? Wala na siya, umalis na, nakalimutan niya na nagla-live siya. Kapag kausap niya na si Raisa May, wala na, humihinto na talaga yung mundo ni Bimby Aquino. Kaya sige, papanoorin pa natin ang mga susunod na kabanata. Pinutol ko na yung pinaka-long long na pag-aantay kasi maraming mga comments dun sa comment section na nawala na raw si Bim pagkatapos tumawag ni Raisa May at hindi niya alam na napabayaan niya na yung live.
Yes?
Talagang meron silang pinag-uusapang hina.
Nag-mute kami.
Kaya abang-abang siya
Sorry.
pang live ni Raisa at ni Bim. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV and Dar Eds channel. God bless everyone.